So first off, what is legacy software? Legacy software has a bunch of definitions. So here are some of my favorite. As soon as you get the software out the door, it becomes legacy. It's old. It's out of date. Or any application without automated tests is legacy. This one's more sobering definition. If you don't have any way to make sure that your application is working, it will be breaking. You don't know when it's going to break because you don't have any way to tell. Another one is legacy software. It's simply software that's not being actively supported or developed. And at CodePros, I combine them to say that old legacy software is older software still used actively to perform business functions. So this is the sort of software that needs to stay in place in a business. It helps the business run, it helps the business move forward, it helps the business operate. Processes, procedures, systems, technology is where it all comes together. That's why this software is important.